Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 18th, 2021, and I'm here with some of the Marigold Big Duck, and you can see these are ready to be transplanted. So I'm going to be getting some of these transplanted today, and I'm going to be talking about a few different ways that I'm going to be transplanting these. So this is one of my containers here. This is a larger 4-inch container, and I'm going to be putting some in containers this size, and then I am also going to be putting some in some of my larger containers like this. Now one thing, if you're putting them in containers like this, you really want to watch your watering to make sure that you don't overwater your plant. That's something that can happen when you put them in a larger container like this, but I'm growing it in the greenhouse. It is heated. It's going to dry the soil out faster, and I'm really going to be, watching to make sure that I don't overwater it so I don't cause root rot. And then they'll be growing permanently in this container, in a container like this, for when they go outside. So this one here is like would be like a permanent transplant. And if you think that container back there is too big, these were all started out as plug plants, which is what I did with my marigolds there. And it does work. As soon as they were large enough, like this one here, I put it in its container, and you can see what they grew up to be. Here's a marigold over here. This is a different variety, but this one here was a plug plant. And it does work. It's how your big greenhouses do them. So you just got to be careful with your watering. And this one here would be like getting it ready for a bedding plant to put out like in your garden, or if you have containers outside that you want to put your marigold seedlings into, and then have them growing in a container. So I'm just going to fill in around here with this. Now I don't want to go over the pre-existing root ball. I'm just kind of putting my soil around here. I'm really excited to see this variety. I'm doing an experiment this year with a bunch of different kinds of marigolds to find that like perfect cut flower marigold for my growing zone. And some are going to be growing in the greenhouse, some are going to be growing outside. So I can see, which one does better if one needs a warmer climate. Whoopsies. Okay, let me just get this off of here. There we go. My soil is going to shrink down. And I always leave a little space. If you ever wonder why I leave a little space like that, it's because when I water my seedlings and my plants, what happens is if you put your soil all the way up to the top, when you water it, everything's going to run out over. And your soil is going to run out over all your water is, and you're going to have a mess. And you're going to have a hard time actually getting your plant watered. So by leaving a little space like that, your water can seep down in through your soil and run out the bottom like it's supposed to. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to get this watered here. So I have my spray nozzle set on mist. I'm just gently going to get this here watered here. And I'm going to water this until water runs out the bottom. Now marigolds also work great as companion plants. You can put them like with your cucumbers to help repel the cucumber beetles. People put them with their tomatoes. So they also have a benefit for your vegetable garden as well. So I'm going to let this here drain down here. And I will water this until water runs out the bottom. So these are the rest of my little marigold big duck seedlings here. I'm still waiting for one of them to germinate. So far I have like 7 of them. I might be planting some more of these. I haven't decided yet. But as these continue to grow, I'm going to come back with more videos and I'm going to show them to you. I'm definitely going to be showing you when they start blooming, and really looking forward to seeing them bloom. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!